It all began one rainy day in the big city, just before your uncle was born, and I was going to stay with Grandpa. I was with my mum, and I was seeing sights that no one else had time to.
All right, I'm getting Lily. Dad wants to say hello. Hi, Dad. When are you coming home? Oh, okay. Well, I hope the job goes well. Yeah, and I love you too. Bye.
Grandpa's been so sad since Grandma passed away.
He never comes here to see us.
Maybe your visit will cheer him up.
Did you get his present? Yeah. I'm making him a friendship bracelet.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I'd rather just stay here with you. I'm gonna go up this way.
Careful.
You always say that.
The big city was far away from Grandpa's house on Muffle Mountain, and I had no idea that he and that mountain shared a secret hidden deep within it. Nor did I know that a man called Boomer was determined to discover the secret. And if he succeeded, he would destroy the precious universe. Every story, like a railroad, has its heroes. Meet Thomas. This is where he and his friends live, the island of Sodor. Like it. And if you have the imagination that I think you do, you'll know why.
What does that sign say?
Sodor Railway. Really reliable and right on time.
And you weren't, little Thomas.
And you're being bossy, Gordon. Now, please excuse me. I'm meeting Mr. Conductor. He's taking care of us while Sir Topham Hatt takes a very important holiday.
I think we can take care of ourselves.
Get out of my way! I have unfinished business here. I want to finish it fast.
What was that?
That's Diesel 10. 10 out of 10 for devious deeds and brutal strength. He's a blast from the past and he hates steam engines.
But maybe we do need Mr. Conductor here, after all.
Mr. Conductor knows Thomas well. The island of Sodor is at one end of Mr. Conductor's universe. At the other end, across a wide ocean and over Muffle Mountain where Grandpa lives, is Shining Time, a contented railroading town hidden deep in a valley. This is the place that Mr. Conductor calls home. Hello, Moby Dick. Enjoy your walk. Mr. Conductor likes to lend a helping hand, but some folks never see him to say thank you.
Is something wrong with Rainbow Sun, Mr. Two Feathers? I heard your brakes go on.
Everything's okay, Patch.
Oh, I've been looking at your map. What are these mysterious shadowy lines on it? They look like straight railroad tracks, but I can't see any tracks around here except for the ones that you travel on.
It's mysteries that make this land so...
Magical? Well, I better be off to Muffle Mountain. I promised Mr. Stone that I'd clean out his yard today.
Does Burnett Stone ever give you a smile?
No, but he doesn't frighten my horse either. Which means I don't think he's a bad man. I think he's just sad.